growing up poor, we had a public aid where we only could go to certain dentists. So we didn't get proper dental care. They either pull your teeth or they give you a root canal, and they never put caps on it, and so they do nothing but rot out. And so as you get older, barely having a toothbrush, so you end up, paying the price as an adult. So by the time I hit in my mid-30s, it was just like you didn't really want to smile a whole lot. You kind of like cover your smile up because your bottom teeth spread so far apart and the gums were separating from the teeth. So I started investigating online, trying to find ways to either get implants or what was going on. So for about 6 years of searching, and then I couldn't afford it. It was like, I didn't have the money. So I just kept looking at all the different options. And then I lost my job and I lost everything. And only thing I had was faith in God and Jesus. And so I fell back on my faith and believed in the promises that God promised you. And if you believe and you do what's right. And in doing so, I come across learning about passive income and cryptocurrency. And all of a sudden one day I had over $30,000 and it just kept growing from there. And when I ran across NuSet, it was just like the environment was like great. This was the first time I ever been to a dentist's office or a medical environment that made you feel like you was at home.
Ellis was a patient that presented. He had significant bone loss, was told multiple treatment options from different doctors. Ellis came in and saw me. We took a 3D x-ray. My prosthetic team was able to see him, and we were able to develop a good treatment plan for him where we took out his remaining upper and lower teeth. We were able to put in 4 implants up top, 4 implants on the bottom. We were able to screw in his teeth on the upper and lower the same day. And basically, Ellis is the happiest man on the earth now.
When they gave me my new set, they brought everybody in. It was like, look at this. This is one of our best sets we ever put in. They pulled them in one by one to come and see how my teeth turned out. That made me feel like, like I was a king, I felt like I was on top of the world. It was like a weight lifted. It was like, look at my teeth. Look at what I was blessed. Look at these are perfect. You ready to smile. You want to just be smiling all the time so everybody can see your teeth. You know what I'm saying? Everybody can see when you walk up. They can say, man, look at that smile. Look, you got perfect teeth. Somebody want to smile. I'm going to smile bigger than everybody on this time. So, I enjoy it and just believing in, being steadfast with my faith and believing that what God will do for me bless me with having enough money to be able to go in and get my teeth done and to bring my life back up to a good standard and never look backwards. You can eat anything you want to eat. Not worried about toothaches, not worried about gaps in your teeth. Perfect polished smile. All you got to do is take care of it. So, I appreciate them more than anything. This would be the best thing other than following my faith I've ever done in my life.